Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a bath screen. This is a brand new bath. We have installed shower, valve, basin, tap, water tap, and the tiles as well. The bath and the toilet is the old toilet, so from the edge of the bath you need to take 1 centimeter or 100 mil a mark for your edge of the screen panel, and then get your level. Make sure, well, this I put the masking tape on my level so not to scratch the bath panel nicely. I put the masking tape before I touch the bath the screen panel, sorry, not the bath panel. And then put the bath panel the edge of it where you marked, and then make sure it's level, not off, and off level, so the screen can stand on a straight line. And then mark where you want to make a hole for plugins. When you have marked where you want to make a hole, make sure you're not gonna put on a hammer drill. So if you put a hammer drill, it will break the tile, so you keep cooling down the drill bit, so when it get hot it will ruin your drill bits. Simple as that. When you made the holes, when you put the plugins, make sure you tap your plugins about half a centimeter or 50 mil inside the tile, so when you screw it the panel expands. When it expands it will break the tile, so there's a good chance if you leave it, if you just push in and you break the tile. So when you push tap in a little bit like 5 mil or 50 mil, it will be really good. And then make sure you put silicone on it so it's not gonna leak or the water travel back at the back of the tile basically. And this is the important part, you put silicone at the back of the panel, which is really useful and really good. So when you finish siliconing at the back panel, make sure do not forget the silicone on the top of the bath as well, so where the panel will go. That one is the most important part of doing a shower screen or bath screen. If you not put a silicone on top of the bath where the panel will go, it will start leaking and then you have a nightmare. Make sure everything nice and level when you tied it, and because everything has to be level, we are working where you work. And then after that, when you finish checking if it's leveled, get a clean cloth and clean the silicone when the silicones came out from the behind of the panel, especially the edges, to keep it nice and clean. So when you finish the cleaning the silicone came from behind the panel, and then you need to add a lot of silicone between the panel, inside the panel actually, where the actual glass or screen goes, so that it makes seal not to leak. And then when you put this glass or the screen, you have to push it from the top down, so